Hi everyone, I am Jia, Microsoft MVP. Today, I would like to share with you about configure Azure AD. AD means Active Directory Privilege Identity Management, that as known as PIM. Okay, I am Jia. You can find me at jiainsun or techconnect.io. Now, gone are the days when security was focused on a strong perimeter defense to keep attacker out. Outside your perimeters were tracked as hostile. Inside the wall and organization system are with trust. Today's security posture is to assume breach and zero trust model. The perimeter defense is no longer the focus of security professionals. Modern organizations have to support access to data and services as evenly as from inside the corporate firewall and outside it. I here show you about today's agenda. Zero Trust Model was introduced by analyst firm Forrester Research, ZTM. Zero Trust Model states to never assume trust but instead of to continually validate trust. When user, device, and data all reside inside the organization firewall, they were assumed to be trust. This assumed trust allowed for very easy lateral movement. Once an endpoint device was compromised by a bad actor, the Zero Trust model relies on verified user and device trust claim to grant access to organization resources. No longer is trust assumed based on the location inside an organization parameters. When we say identity management is the new control plane, what is the base for the analogy? First, what is the control plane? In a switch or router, the control plane is the component that controls where the traffic is to go, but is not responsible for the movement of the traffic. The control plane is about learning the route, either static or dynamic. Identity has become the common factor between many services, like O365 and Facebook. The person has become the center of this service. Identity has become the security boundary, the new firewall, or the control plane, whatever comparison you prefer. First, you need to protect your privileged account. Azure AD Privilege Management is the service recommended for this process. Azure Active Directory Privilege Identity Management is a service that enables you to manage, control, and monitor access to important resources in your organization. This includes access to resources, Azure AD, Azure Resources, and other Microsoft Online services like O365 or Microsoft Intune. However, users still need to carry out privilege operation in Azure AD, Azure, O365, or Software as a Service app. To use the PIM, you must have one of the following pay or trial license: Azure AD Premium, P2, or an Enterprise Mobility Security EMS E5. The first person to use the PIM in your instance of Azure AD is automatically assigned the Security Administrator and Privilege Role Administrator 2. role in the directory. This person must be eligible Azure AD user. Only privileged role administrator can manage the Azure AD directory role assignment of user. In addition, you can choose to run security widget that walk you through the initial discovery and assignment experience. User or members of a group assigned to the owner or user access administrator role, and global administrator that enables subscription management in Azure AD. Resources administrator. This administrator can assign roles, configure role setting, and review access by using PIM for Azure resources. With the PIM enabled, you need to activate access to privilege operation when the need to perform privilege action arise. If you have been designated as an administrator and you need to take on Azure AD directory role, you can request activations by selecting My Role in PIM. You can view the status of your pending request to activate. Resources audit gives you a view of all roles activity for a resources. That's all for today topic. If you got any question, you can find me at my Twitter. That's all for today. Thank you very much.